put the butter and caster sugar into a mixing bowl. Now you want to get your hand whisk and you want to beat it until it's nice and fluffy. And then you want to scrape down the sides. And then you want to give it another whisk. Now add 1 egg. And then give it another whisk. Now add 2 eggs. And then give it another whisk. And now add the last 2 eggs. And then give it another whisk. Now scrape down the sides to make sure you haven't missed any of the egg. And then just give it one final whisk. And that looks perfect. We're going to add the self-raising flour. Now I'm going to use a wooden spoon because we're going to fold the flour into the mixture. So this is where we got to be careful. We don't want to over fold it. So your mixture should start looking like this. There's still quite a bit of flour in there, so I think the best thing to do is start scraping the sides down. And then give it another stir. Try to get all that flour into the mixture. And there you go, guys. It is done. And then add your mixture into a lined baking tray. And then all you got to do then is smooth it out into the sides. Make sure it is level. So once level, place it in the oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And you want to bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. There is a simple way to find out if the cake is ready. All you need to do is get a clean knife and put it into the middle of the cake. Now, if that knife comes out clean, the cake is ready. So place the icing sugar into a bowl. You need to put a tablespoon of boiling water into the icing sugar and then give it a stir. Now add another tablespoon of boiling water. And then give it another stir. Now add another tablespoon of boiling water. And then give it another stir. Put in another tablespoon of boiling water. And then give it another stir. Make sure you get all the ice and sugar off the sides. That is still a little bit too thick, so what we need to do now, get that ice and sugar off the side. Now I'm going to put a teaspoon of boiling water into the icing. Now this is starting to look perfect for the cake. It's not too runny. Just hopefully we get all the lumps out. I always turn the cake over so the bottom's on the top because I just think it looks better. So let's put the icing on top of the cake. Try to get as level as possible. It doesn't matter if it runs down the side. So all we need to do now is put the last bit on, get to the edges. There is a few lumps in it still, but it's okay because you're not going to see them once the sprinkles are on top. All we need to do now is add the sprinkles. You can put on as many as you want. And here you go, guys, with strawberry custard. It is perfect. Now, I've got this can from Asda, so if you're near an Asda, go and try to find some. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.